Asthmatic shell. Boy pick up spank shell. Mexican badness cartel. 4-5 send boy soul go hell. Rest in peace and swell.
So I decided, because I used to do same handful of people, I said I will keep MJ party private, family, close friends.
Big up yourself, King Benji. See you propose to your empress. Good luck. Alright. I love you, you love me. We're in love like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby girl, don't you worry. I'll never leave your side.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Livefoot TV. You're not the man of peace, though. I beg to use self to keep the violence off the streets. Yes, my living love and unity. So me answer, big up all of my loyal fans on the platform. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and make sure you click the bell. Is it? I like and share the content too. When the support is highly appreciated. Yeah, man. I love and blessings, you know. Yes, so the viewers and subscribers in this vlog, here we have Silver Links, Mighty Mike, explaining why he didn't invite some people at MJ party. Them yeah dry. We also have Demarco look war. Demarco look a war. You see me? Alright. With an artist musically. Yeah. And we have my virgin from another mother. I don't know, King Benji. Made a proposal to his empress, and a good look that, so me see it and I don't know, me build a song, you know, well I'm an old song themselves, so I rejuvenate it and things, so I can record it and I'm gonna see what I go on. But big up yourself, King Benji, a great move. I wish you and your fiancé happiness, long life and prosperity, and a nice wedding when it are forward. Viewers and subscribers, we are forward.
I don't know how many British I represent for World Star from the Christmas bus party, the 15th of December. People, get on the ticket, first come, first serve. Music by World Star Sound, alongside Players Choice Sound. Yeah man, big up Orthodox, you know. Big up the World Star family, them. I don't know, the 15th of December, World Star Family Christmas bus party. People, get on the ticket, you know what I mean?
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, line and lioness, smart and look out for that bus ride there, the 15th of December. Zine, World Star, one British, World Star family. Yeah man, £40 for the ticket, and you get food and liquor with it. You see me and say, and you can bring your own liquor too. You see it? Yeah man, the bus ride now normal, 15th of December. Wanna remember? Alright. But we kick it off now with MJ father, Silver Links, otherwise known as Mighty Mike. Yes, he kept MJ party the other day, and Bounty Killer was there, and Shaman, you know what I mean? Him say people see him in the street and I ask why, he never invite them. So he might do a video explain why he never invite them. And the man say, them yeah dry because enough of them never turn up at the previous one, including myself. You see, but anyway, my viewers and subscribers, hear what Silverlink has to say.
Blessed love my peeps, big up on yourself, Mighty Mike is here. Let me just address this quickly. My back in the day experience used to say, yeah, dry. Me, I wonder to myself, is dry eye people still exist? No, I said that to say this. More than 10 people see me in the street asking me, how come they never invite me at MJ party? And I got a reason for that. And listen me keenly. Good reason too. I kept a kid's jersey wear last year. It was public. Advertising at the party in the streets around the world, because there was Barry Shaman and there was Taras Riley who were advertising that party. A handful of people turn up. I kept the adult party jersey wear. The same handful of people turn up. Now, Christmas, I keep my party, big number. The man who everybody said them respect, deserve a medal, father of the year. The night of the party, the same handful of people them turn up. So I decided, because I used to do same handful of people, I said I will keep MJ party private, family, close friends. And
alright, big up yourself, Silver Links. Some people don't hear why he never invited some of uno and some of the people them, the dry eye people them. Because of them see about never turn up at party. Last year, the MJ Jersey party, the adult Jersey party, the kids party and the adult Jersey party, and then is big number birthday celebration, father of the year. Same handful amount of people never turn up. And you know the faces them when I talk and who I'm expected never turn up. You see me? You see me I say? But yeah man, I support people. Don't really support people until some of them dead and gone and I hear them say, yeah man, my virgin man, I like us with the artists them. See the artists are struggle and bust out now. Like myself, you gotta hear much people I say, yo, my virgin and I know him now. How much I only did I share American song or I play American song. You see me I say, you see, that's the truth, and that's how life stay, so mankind stay. Enough of them, are true. Them know say them say Bounty Killer was there. Big up yourself, my general Bounty Killer. You see me, I push Bounty Killer call me and me used to there around him, hang around him, you know what I mean? And right now, me want to link him, but me not eager for run go link Killer. Killer, my general see me, when me get the chance to link him, we try to link him. But enough of them, she don't see Killer MJ party. Oh, you know what, invite me. Man, I explain why I'm style, why I'm not invite, friends and good close friends and families only. And keep it private. And sometimes the best way to do. Yeah man, sometimes you have to cut off the people that not work with you and not support you and not paying attention. They only want to scrape and don't want to give. You see me? And including friends and families. Do your thing by yourself and you're the king. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think if Silver Links did or done the right thing. I personally think he never did have to do no explanation, but I don't know, man up in platform. So you must share him views. Big up yourself, Silver Links. Big up yourself, MJ. Big up yourself, Bounty Killer on your promotional tour. Sham. Boom bang. Moving on. Demarco that done. Big up yourself, Demarco. Yeah man, Demarco is a very talented artist and producer. I lift my hats off him to him, a different level of respect for him because I never know so much big with him the man produce. Hit songs from various artists. That's what I say. But Demarco say he want clash a big artist. Who want clash? Time to exercise my lyrical skills. So Demarco want clash a big artist who can push him to that level, Yes, make him have to go in and thinking backs on him. Find some metaphors and similes and all of them things there. See me? But yeah man, you can clash a young artist, upcoming artist, you have some bad upcoming artists that will push you to that level too. You see me? Yes. Like you don't know, big myself real skill 45 is an artist, talented and now no fear and say anything will come out of my mouth. People will go check him out, real skill 45. Yeah man, but big up yourself, Demarco, you see it? Viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queens and Lioness, I'm going to read out some of the comments. Now, in the comment section, who the people must say them, him should have clash. I only can leave in the comment section of this vlog also who you think Demarco should clash. You know what I mean? Yes, man. Still I say, boss a youth, boss a young artist, upcoming artist, enough talented artists out there need opportunity, a chance to change them life, help them family, is it. But anyway, the comment section goes like this. Yeah man, so Demarco caption, ready for bust them head. Dancehall, baddest thing. You see me? Then in the comment section we see TJ up top boss. I say anytime you're ready, Yeah man, and Real Acting tag TJ and Demarco with some smiling emoji. Jahshii Music. So ready when you're ready, You see me? And Demarco replied with some smiling emoji. You see, so big up TJ and Jahshii and things. So Jafras said, them not brave so far that. You see me, Deli Ranks, some smiling emoji. Real Acting tag Deli Ranks, some smiling emoji. And Pampute a smile too. Big up yourself, Pampute in England. And so we see Yaxter now. Yaxter say, why you say war? Demarco respond and say, war! Exclamation sign. Then Skinny, Showtime, Sound Station, I say, take on Alkaline. Hey, I love to see that clash. Alkaline bad, Zine and Gaza where I say, Gage, me would want to see you challenge. So Alkaline and Gage, Gage prove himself as a war artist. Alkaline prove himself time and time again. Go up against dancehall. Greatest of all time. Vybz Kartel. Should I say that? I'm the king of dancehall. Look myself Vybz Kartel. Yeah, but Alkaline no fear nothing. Me would want to see Alkaline. Me don't love to see Alkaline and take on Demarco. Still, even though I still say, yo, Real Skill 45, bad underrated artist, Yeah man, bad artist, war artist, big voice like a Bounty Killer, and lyrical artist as well, versatile. You see me I say? Real scale 45.
Asthmatic shell. Boy pick up speng shell. Mexican badness cartel. 4-5 send boy soul go hell. Rest in peace and swell.
But yeah man, Demarco, big up yourself, big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, and lioness. Let me know in the comment section below who you would want to see take on Demarco in a lyrical battle. You see it? Alright, moving on. Moving on now to Kyng Benji, artist slash comedian, actor, director. Yeah man, brother from another mother. We haven't met in person, but we share information over the years and communicate and give advice to each other and thing. And I mean, so we see he made an official proposal to his Empress woman on Instagram Live, which is a big, brave, bold move. So me I say, cause she could have said no, but she said yeah. Yeah, but so no long talking. Here we are going, and we're not gonna hear my vocals a play underneath the video because the official song when them use, copyright strike, because we can't use it. So I just put my song when I'm gonna release now, and it's related to them as well. And so I say Bonnie and Clyde. So here we are going, man. No further delay. That's what we're going. I'm gonna read what them wrote in the caption. See? Yeah. Big up yourself, Kyng Benji. See you propose to your Empress. Good luck. Alright. I love you, you love me. We're in love like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby girl, don't you worry. I'll never leave your side. You and I were meant to be like the breath in our lives. If I should lose you, baby, I'll surely cry. Girl, I love you so badly. You make me happy. Will you marry me? Girl, you drive me crazy. You're my one and only lady. Will you have my baby? Baby, you're so divine. You make me feel so refined. Yes, man, shout out, enough respect to Kyng Benji. As you may say, Anime Empress. You see it? And they don't know the song there, titled Bonnie and Clyde. I'm gonna record it soon and put it out, because I don't know. We're talented, and we're here for a purpose, to deliver good music. And when we say Kyng Benji proposed to him, Empress, it inspired me. And she said, yo, I do good music, because I have songs that people can relate to. Look at that. People, let me know when to think of the songs that, as I say, in the voice yet still, but we're going to voice it when we get the chance over the weekend, because I know I'm busy and work. You see me? Yeah, man, but Kyng Benji proposed to him, Empress, and a good look. And enough ladies out there see this, and some people feel jealous, some people feel happy because most women out there want to get married, would love to be proposed to. All of them life, them just want to get married. Look on Queenie. Remember Queenie said she did promise herself that she have to get married one day before she pass away. Hence why she settled with do it. But maybe somebody better than do it. They don't the fear, Not in a disrespectful way, but sometimes when I rush into love, it no work out, and it take time to know the person, and but they don't know Queenie love her do it same way. But this is not about Queenie and do it. This is about Kyng Benji and the Empress. So they both wrote comment in the comment section, and this is what they must say. Zane, here we go on. Words can't explain this chapter, baby. My Earth Queen, SA Nation, my love for you is out of this world. Love you so much, baby, and I'll make sure you're always okay and safe in this world. Mommy, my queen, forever, I'm your king, your insurance, your protector, your rider. If I could give you one thing in life, I'd give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes, to see the vision of a true queen, and that's you, Earth Queen. Angelou, love you, baby. And that is from Kyng Benji. What a sentimental words, man. So Angelou responded, thank you everyone for your kind words and love. I'm so happy. Just wish I could have fixed myself up a little better for this video, but overall words can't express this feeling. It was so unexpected. I loved every minute of it. Yes, man. So yeah, Angelou, I say, yo, she wish she'd dress herself up more better for the video, but come on. The biggest moment is Kyng Benji going down on his knees, Angelou. Yes, what I say, yeah, boo, and that is so true. Yes, what I say, You see it? That's why the man want to marry you. You see it? Big up yourself, King Benji and Angelo. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think of that. You know what I mean? It's a great moment, great moment. I'm love to see that, and I wish everybody happiness and joy. And you know what I mean? You know, if you want to marry that person, think hard and make the big decision, man. Make the big decision. You know what I mean? And try the best to make it work. Enough marriage no work out because friends and family get in between and some people being unfaithful and ungrateful. Yes, you guys, my viewers and subscribers. My kings and queen line and line is big up on yourself. Well, time to go now. I forgot work right now. Time I catch up on me, but me did have to deliver the vlog here from where them if you do it. You see it? Yeah, but don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. You know your support is highly appreciated. A lion foot. I'm Eric, the man of pace. I remember, please go check out my EP. Welcome to Kingston. Yes, man. Blessed love. Kushites. Have a blessed and prosperous weekend. Girl, I love you so badly. You make me happy. Will you marry me?